This here is at the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, and I drove down as a 17% decline. Unbelievable. I thought my brakes are smoking here. And there's supposed to be a dam further down, so we're walking down to that point. But I don't know if you can see that height. Look how insane that is. It's all surrounded by those rocks here. And it is so quiet here. Look at this. Isn't that incredible? Massive, just massive. Look how, I mean, it's on the camera, you can't even imagine how tall that is here. Walking already for a mile here. This is the end here. This is where the dam is. That's amazing, incredible. Oh, there's Bruno. What a brave boy, hiking all with me back here. Look how cool that the sign is. This is the end. They locked it up here. This is called the Crystal Dam. Rising 227 feet above the stream bed of the Gunnison River. Wow. It was completed in 1978. Amazing.